to show you how you can make a liquid foundation using mineral powder foundation and also a lotion or a cream. Now, why would you want to make your own liquid foundation? Well, first of all, if you look at the ingredient list of a liquid foundation on the market, 99.9% of all liquid foundations contain dimethicone, which is a liquid silicone. Now, I would consider this to be a forever chemical like PFAS that they are now banning in Europe. And the problem with these chemicals is once they are unleashed into the environment, then they never degrade and they pollute the environment. So what is happening is the liquid silicone that we're putting on our skin is basically being released into the environment. So it doesn't necessarily harm our skin, but eventually it gets into our water table and into the sea and destroys sea life. Now, dimethicone is used because it has a really nice coverage on the skin. It's also extremely cheap and it covers well. But we do have alternatives to that are natural, safe, healthy. So I'm just going to show you now how you can make your own liquid foundation very easily. Obviously, you do want to have the right powder and the right lotion in order to make it work well. So first of all, when you add any powder to a lotion or an oil or a cream, it will go darker. So if you have a particular shade, for example, I have cool nude and cool canvas. I normally wear cool canvas. Now, a similar shade that is lighter is cool nude. So I have a cool undertone, so I would use cool nude to get the same effect as cool canvas. The same on the warm undertones, so you have warm lavas and warm summer shine. So warm lavas is darker than warm summer shine. So if I wish to get the darker tone, I would use the lighter. And then we have cool biscuit and cool pearl. So to get the cool pearl, which has a slightly rosy undertone to it, I would use the cool biscuit. So to make that, you also need the right lotion or cream. If your lotion is too heavy, it will not spread very well. So you want the correct lotion. Now, I designed this cream, as well as being good for allergy-prone skins, to mix well with these pigments. So to do this, you just simply, this comes with a little pot, as you can see, like a little, almost a mixing bowl. And I just take a little bit of cream, like so, out of the pot. And I already have, now we do sell the pigments, obviously, in the pots, but we also sell them as refillable bags. So if you find that you are doing this on a regular basis, it'd be cheaper to just get a refillable bag and take out the pigment, what you need from the bag. And these are all in compostable bags, so they're all environmentally friendly. I obviously have my pigment in large quantity in a big box because I make my own. And I'm just going to put, usually the scoop is about 2 to 1, depending on how much coverage you need. So a little bit more pigment to cream. I'm going to use this mixing brush, which is actually a blending brush for the eyeshadows, and it works really well for mixing the cream. You can always add a little bit more cream to it if you wish, and just mix it well. So you can add more pigment or more cream depending on the coverage. I'll take a little bit more cream. So this is so cool, it's like playing paints again. So once I've mixed it, of course I would mix it a little bit better than this, then I just apply it to my face. Cream. So if you have any questions, please get back to me. Otherwise, it's bye for now.